Hello, friends, and welcome back. I'm Archie Garg, your trainer at InfiniData Academy, and I hope ये पूरा festive time आपके सबके लिए बहुत अच्छा गया होगा. You had a hope you had a very nice Diwali and Chhat Puja celebration with your family and loved ones. So let's get back to our upskilling groove. And so आज की वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं रिगार्डिंग पावर बीआई. व्हाट इज पावर बीआई? पावर बीआई एक बहुत ही पावरफुल डेटा विजुअलाइजेशन टूल है, दैट इज ऑल्सो बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स टूल, जो आपका रो डेटा मीनिंगफुल इंसाइट में कन्वर्ट करने में आपको हेल्प करता है. एंड इट क्रिएट्स अ रियली गुड एंड पावरफुल विजुअल्स. एंड व्हाट आर सम ऑफ द की बेनिफिट्स और हाइलाइट्स ऑफ द पावर बीआई? मेनली इट इसका जो इंटरफेस है दैट इज वेरी इजी. Even if you are non-technical persons, you can easily pick this up and get started with it. Also, it has very diverse data connectivity options. So अगर आपके पास कोई excel file है, text file या csv file है, or if you have a database any type, oracle, postgre, different types of database, and also if you have some your data present in some cloud environment, you can easily connect your data to a power bi desktop or power bi tool and start creating your visualization for it. Also, it creates very interactive visualizations. When if जो भी आप example देखेंगे, you can see that all the visualization are very interactive. You can easily uh, select or deselect a filter and get the data to change or see the data that you want in your format. And also it provide very real-time insights. That is like some of the key features of Power BI. And what about its feature? So feature is like very uh, looking good for Power BI because from the recent trends in the industry, जो there are other tools also जो famous है, Tableau being one of them. But many organizations they are fading the use of those, and BI is uh, gaining very high popularity among all the companies. So if you want to get started in the field of data analytics, so you be sure to pick up Power BI as one of your size data. And also it has very advanced analytics capabilities, which is going to be raising day by day. It has the AI integration option also being integrated into it in the coming time, and that is mainly to automate tasks and generate insights automatically. So lots of things looking good for Power BI, and be sure to pick it up. And also one more thing that I want to discuss about it is as very can easily access the different reports and dashboards Power BI in your mobile as well as cloud environment. That is a big pro, big uh, yeah, big pro for this tool. So move to the different. Uh, let's move to the visualization that we have built on the general election data. Before that, I would encourage to all to visit our channel InfiniData Academy on YouTube, and you can get familiar with different sessions that we have done till now. हमने SQL के sessions किए थे that covered the basics of the SQL to the intermediate level. Also, we did Python session that covered the basics of Python to intermediate level. उसके बाद recently we have done केस स्टडीज जिसमें हमने क्रिकेट वर्ल्ड कप T20 2024 कवर किया, in which we visualize the data using Python, and also in the last case study we did the analysis of general elections Loksabha 2024 that happened this year of course. तो उसका हमने एनालिसिस किया यूजिंग पाइथन. सेम डेटा पे आज हमने पावर बीआई का जो विश्लेषण किया है वो हम. And also stay tuned for a surprise information and surprise update at the end. Now let's move into the Power BI visualization that we are discussing. So this is the visualization that we are talking about, and as you can see this is a very nice visualization done on the election data. हमने last case study में Python के through analyze किया था, and you can see the information that has been put over here. Firstly, we have the different uh, winning seats by each of them. You can see the different going to each of the seats. You can see ऊपर करेंगे तो you can see the data labels इसके ऊपर that the what's the constituency name, what's the state name, and also what was the margin vote uh, of that particular candidate, what was the winning party and the runner up, and also the first winning candidate and the You can see here, so इसमें जो winning candidate was Mr. Umaid Ram Beniwal, and this person was from INC, International Congress, and first runner-up was an independent candidate that was Mr. Ravindra, and the percentage margin of vote was close to 1,18,000, right? And let me just go another one. So this one is in Andhra Pradesh, this seat, and this person, from winning party is from Telugu Desam, Mr. Mahesh Kumar, and the runner-up candidate is Karumuri, Mr. Sunil Kumar, right? And the first runner-up team is Telugu Desam, and the second runner-up party was the Congress party. I'm not YSR Congress party, right? And our margin vote was comparatively more. It was close to like 1,81,000, right? You can see here all this detail from of the different constituencies. Here we have a over top at Ladakh. So Ladakh, as you know, is a union territory, and have the winning candidate with some independent candidate won that particular Muhammad Hanif, and the second person, the runner-up person was INC. So you can see all this data over here, and then this graph over here shows the total number of seats of a part that were there. Total seats we knew were 543, and whichever party forms the majority, like wins, they form the final government at the center. Then we have this details, the record level detail from state and that particular and the winning candidate, as well as the runner-up candidate. All this detail is available on this, and you can also see the margin of vote by which the winning candidate won over the second person. And another detail you can see over here is the like again the distribution of seats by the winning party. As you can see here, this is the already pre-built visualization. Wish to know more about how this visualization was built, you can drop us a mail at inquiry@InfiniData Academy. Be happy to connect with you. And yeah, you can see these filters as well. So if you select a particular state, the visualization will update to that particular state. So let's go to the one with the biggest number of seats, that is Uttar Pradesh. So I remember it's close to 80 seats, 80 seats in the general elections. And you can see here how many number of seats in this state. The map visualization. So this is the visualization of the parties of that particular state. And you can see here 37 of them were won by Samajwadi Party, seats were won by Bharatiya Janata Party, and then there were 6 seats won by this is INC, International Congress, and then 2, 1, 1, and more. You can see this is the distribution different. So in map visualization, the not all the marks regions are highlighted over here, because sometimes it happens that जो भी आपके पास raw data है for this map, so the map की जो linkage हम करते हैं with the raw data using JSON file, so that particular uh, file and the does not exactly uh, align with the number of like political map of the India. So there is a there is a little bit of uh, unlinkage between those two. So that's why you can see कि सारे cases highlight नहीं हो, but you can see most of the that region is highlighted of the seats. See over here, this is the constituency Basti that was. Then we have Ambedkar Nagar and Banda, all these Hamirpur. If you want to see some other state also, you can also state by state analysis. Graph. And also, if you want to uh, share this with other people, there is option to publish this. So ये जो अभी मैंने खोला हुआ है, this is a Power BI desktop. This is totally local in my system. But if you want to share this report with some more people, so you can use it, this publish, and you can publish that particular report into Power BI host server, and then give access to that to other people. So we will also see ये report हमने publish की है, and you see हमने how is it looking on Power BI server. As you can see here, this is the Power BI server जिस पे हमने अपनी report publish की. And you can see here got all these filters, same as what I was showing you stop tool. And then we have this visualization over. This makes it easy to share with other people. Otherwise आपको उसकी local copy like as a pbix file आपको share करनी होगी. See this report, but using the publish option can give access to the Power BI app on the server, and this is of course paid paid server. So you not everybody can publish these reports on pay certain fees, and after you do that, you will be able to publish and share your report with the different parties. But other than that, the Power BI desktop का free version भी है in which many options are available and you can build your report over it, but it will all be in your local system. See here, you can also play around with it if you party-wise analysis or state-wise analysis. Other than that, I told you there is going to be a little surprise at the end. So that surprise is we are going to be hosting a closed webinar soon. So वो webinar होगा that is going to be among very selected number of students, and also uh, I'm going like we are sharing the link for it into the registration link below, so make sure to register for it. So in this one we'll be having uh connecting with different leaders and learning about their queries regarding the in the data science data and we are also going we'll also be doing a case study. So let us know if you are interested to join and sign up share your details on the registration, and we will connect to you. The date for this webinar is not finalized yet, but we will give you the update as soon as we have the required number of interested candidates for this. This is the link for this webinar, and you can see that this is a Google form. Give your name and other details in this and name and other details into this, and we will get in touch with you when the webinar dates are been have been finalized and we have received the interested number of people, like suitable number of people interested. Also, you can keep we'll have a Q&A session of also on the end. So make sure you register and keep your questions and answer ready. And if you're interested to know how this report was built, so you can connect with us or send us with an inquiry, and we will be happy the learner interested to upskill themselves. And for now, thank you, and I hope you all have a very uh, great day ahead. Thank you.